Hi everyone, welcome to this video tutorial on creating and launching your first campaign on Snaily.io. We're going to walk you through two different ways to get started, so you can choose the one that fits your workflow best. Option 1. Create a campaign from the Campaigns page. First, go to the Campaigns page and click Add Campaign in the top right corner. Give your campaign a name. You can always change it later. Once you've named it, your campaign will be drafted and visible on the Campaigns page. From here, you can either set up your sequence right away or return later to edit it. Option 2. Create a campaign from the Contacts page. Go to the Contacts page if you prefer to start with your contacts. Use the filters to select the contacts you want to add to your sequence. Note, if you haven't added any contacts to Snaily yet, here are 3 ways to do it. Use the Snaily Chrome extension to export contacts directly from LinkedIn. Add a list of LinkedIn profile links. Create a custom list by manually entering contact details. For this video, let's choose contacts exported from LinkedIn. We'll use a recent export called Paris, which includes first, second, and third level connections. Filter to view only second level connections, then select all. Name your campaign, and you'll be taken to the Snaily Campaign Master. In the Campaign Master, you can add and customize actions for your sequence. Since we're using second-level contacts, let's make Connect our first action. Personalize the connection note if you'd like, or leave it blank for a standard request. You can also set a specific time frame for withdrawing the connection request if it's not accepted. If you want to follow up with connections who accept your request, add a message action next. Here, you'll set a delay for the message to be sent after the connection is accepted, allowing for a natural interaction. Use the delay time to tell Snaily how long to wait before moving on to the next step or closing the sequence for that contact. Once all your actions are set up, save your campaign and either launch it right away or add additional contacts from previous exports. When you're ready, launch the campaign. Once active, you can check the queue to see how it's progressing. From here, you have control over adding more contacts to an ongoing campaign, adjusting campaign settings without needing to remove or add steps. Remember to set daily action limits, time zones, and working hours to manage your daily activities. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our support page or book a free demo with our customer success team.